Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to check your financial details on North American University portal and how to make payments. Let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your portal and go to balance section. You will be taken to this page where you will be able to see your total amount due, your payment plans, direct deposit, and tax documents. To make payment, you can either click on this Make Payment button or here on the Payment Plan section. Once you click on it, if you already have a payment plan, you can check this box and make payments towards your installments by inputting how much money you want to deposit. You can check whether you want to pay with credit card or a debit card. You can choose between these here and continue to make payment. And here you input all the necessary details and click on Pay button to pay.